Hello everyone and welcome to a quick IrfanView tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the language in IrfanView. This is actually quite simple. First we open IrfanView and see that the program is currently running in English. If this is not the case for you, this is not a problem, just click on the places where I click and you will also get to the appropriate settings. Here in the program I now click on Options and Properties and Settings. Here we switch to the menu tab Language and find an overview of all installed languages. In this case I also have German and French. To change the language I click on the respective option and go to OK. The language has now changed in real time. But let's take a step back because I want to show you what you can do if the desired language is not available. For this we have to go to IrfanView.com and here on the website we find the category Languages. Here I can select the desired language from a list and download the installer. Run this file once and restart IrfanView, and then you will find the language in this list as well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.